a day after officially joining the Congress party, Vinesh Phogat has responded and has reacted on her political debut. She has spoken about bringing a positive change in the country. Remember, yesterday as she joined the Congress party as well, she said that she is ready to bring a positive change. And today as well, she has taken to social media X and she says that by joining the Congress party yesterday, I felt a new sense of responsibility. The fight that I have fought in sports, now there is an opportunity to continue it for the country as well and the society from the platform of politics. She says the journey will be full of new dreams and resolutions. This is a tweet that she has put out. In fact, she has also put out a photo from yesterday. Remember, yesterday she was greeted and welcomed into the party by K.C. Venugopal. So Vinesh Phogat as well as Bajrang Punia being welcomed into the party. And today Vinesh Phogat has taken to social media X where she has spoken about starting her new innings. And she thanks the party leaders including K.C. Venugopal and Deepak Babaria as well. And remember, she's also going to be contesting this time around from the Jhalana constituency. So Vinesh Phogat saying that I'm wearing a new hat. As I have fought in sports, I will continue to fight in politics as well. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, amid a lot of questions being raised on the protests and whether it had any political backing, we have the first reaction coming in from Vinesh Phogat where she has not directly addressed them, but she says, as I fought in sports, I'm going to continue fighting in politics as well.
Well, absolutely. This question was also being asked to Vinesh Phogat yesterday when there was joining which was going on at the AICC headquarters. At that point of time, also a lot of questions were being raised by the BJP, and now it is Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh who has given a statement raising a question upon the intention of the protest which held at Jantar Mantar by Vinesh Phogat, Bajrang Punia as well as Sakshi Malik. At that point of time also he had mentioned that it is being politically motivated, and once again he had asked this question from Vinesh Phogat that this has now been proved after she has joined the Congress party that the protest which was being held at Jantar Mantar, that was basically being backed by the Congress party. However, now it is not just Vinesh Phogat, but in fact the Congress party has also responded over the same, as the Congress has said that there were two options at that point of time when this movement was going on by the wrestlers, when they were raising voice against the crimes which were being held against the women wrestlers. At that point of time there were two options which were being there before each and every political party. One is of supporting the wrestlers who were protesting against these crimes, and another for standing behind the perpetrators. The Congress party has alleged that it was the BJP who had stood behind the perpetrators, whether it is about Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh or about the rapist of Bilkis Bano. So that was a counter claim which has come on the part of the Congress party. On the other side, it was Vinesh Phogat who had responded over the same. She has also mentioned that when these wrestlers were being dragged at the roads of the national capital, at that point of time it was the Congress party who had stood behind these women wrestlers, and that was the only reason why she had taken this decision of joining the Congress party. So now this is the response which is coming in, not just from Vinesh Phogat but also from the Congress party regarding all these allegations, regarding all these questions which are now putting forward.
On one hand, the Congress party says this, the BJP says that her foray into politics really discredits the protests that she had been holding.